the VAPAE teaching sequence, I've learned a lot about observing teachers and engaging in practices under them, such as working with the UCLA Lab School and doing micro-teachings. I've learned a lot about creating my own lesson plans and implementing activism and things such as that to create more of a community within my students. After working with the VAPAE teaching sequence and other teachers at the UCLA Lab School, it's helped me as a teaching artist with studio sessions at Emerson implement different mediums specifically, such as textiles, printmaking and drawing. I believe that after-school programs such as studio sessions at Emerson are very important for the students themselves and able to create a safe space for them to engage with art materials that they usually wouldn't be engaged with before. Being able to express their own feelings, their memories, community aspects that they would like to, that they wouldn't get the chance to.